Looking for the best immersion blender for soups, smoothies, baby food, or sauces? Today, I'm breaking down 5 top-rated immersion blenders, from budget-friendly picks to professional-grade power so you can choose the right one for your kitchen. Let's jump in. Number 1. Turelar Immersion Blender. First up, the Turelar Immersion Blender, and this one is a steal for the price. With a 400-watt motor, 2-speed control, and stainless steel blades, it handles soups, smoothies, and baby food surprisingly well. The ergonomic grip feels comfortable, and the detachable shaft makes cleanup easy. Pros: very affordable, powerful for daily use, lightweight, great for beginners. Cons: only 2 speeds and no extra attachments. If you want solid performance without spending much, this is an easy yes. Number 2. Breville Control Grip. Next is the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, known for comfort and control. It features anti-suction technology, a trigger-style grip, and an impressive 15-speed control. Plus, you get a whisk, chopper, and blending jug. Very versatile. Pros: excellent control, lots of accessories, scratch-resistant base. Cons: expensive and heavier than most. Perfect if you love precision and premium accessories. Number 3. Cuisinart Smart Stick. The Cuisinart Smart Stick is a fan favorite for a reason. It has a 300-watt motor, variable speed slide control, and comes with a chopper, whisk, and measuring cup. It's powerful, quiet, and easy to handle. Pros: great value, smooth speed control, strong accessory set. Cons: not dishwasher safe and slightly less powerful than premium models. A balanced choice for everyday home cooking. Number 4. Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender. If power is what you want, the Vitamix Immersion Blender delivers. With a 625-watt motor, 5 speeds, and a professional-grade blade, it blends even frozen ingredients with ease. It's built for serious cooking. Pros: extremely powerful, durable, excellent texture results. Cons: pricey and no extra attachments included. Ideal for home chefs who want professional performance. Number 5. All-Clad Stainless Steel Immersion Blender. Finally, the All-Clad Immersion Blender combines power with elegant design. It features a 600-watt motor, variable speed dial, turbo mode, and a long blending shaft. Great for deep pots and hot soups. Pros: strong motor, dishwasher-safe shaft, premium stainless steel build. Cons: fewer accessories for the price. A great pick if you value durability and classic design. So whether you're on a tight budget, want pro-level power, or something perfectly balanced, there's an immersion blender here for you. Check the links below for current prices, and if this helped, hit like and subscribe for more kitchen reviews.